Welcome to Outcast Fabrication Shop.
Guys, you guys are here on the Toolbox Cam. I'm Tim with Outcast Fabrication Shop, and we got a new project in the shop today. A guy brought his trailer down from Big Bear Lake, and he's going to have us widen the trailer, take the side rails to the outside of the fender rails, reinforce everything, reinforce the fenders so that he can drive his dune buggy up on it, and he'll be good to go. Let me take you over here and show you what we got. Real cool dude, man. Just dropped it off, him and his wife. He's been wanting to get it done now for about 6 months, and finally called me, and we're gonna get it done. So we're gonna give you a sneak peek over the gate out front and take a look at it. There it is, sitting next to the shop Yoda. So you can see the trailer's gonna need widened. I'll get it brought into the shop. I gotta get everything situated, and then we'll go over what exactly we're gonna do. And you guys are gonna build this trailer out with us. We'll be using the Miller Multimatic 215 by Miller Welders, and going over a little bit more on that and showing you how we are gonna widen this trailer our way. So stay tuned, hit subscribe. Thanks, guys. All right, guys, we're out here on the trailer. Kind of want to show you what we're doing. We're gonna make cuts down both sides of the trailer, and we're gonna widen it. So we're gonna make cuts all along here, widen the sides out to the outside of the fenders, and hopefully that'll give him the room that he's looking for. So what we did so far is we took the cutting torch and cut this out. You can see here to pull the planks loose, and then we'll go down each one of these and make a cut. Boom, 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 all the way down. See that? Now obviously the axles are gonna stay the same length, so the fenders will actually stay where they're at. But if you've got like a sand buggy or something going on here, and the big fat back sand paddles are maybe hitting these frame rails here, so at least by widening each side, you'll be able to kind of front wheel crawl the fenders. We'll reinforce those, and then the big fat tires can sit here in the back, and they'll no longer be smashed on there. Or I don't even think he was able to fit it on there at all, matter of fact. So that's why he brought it to Outcast Fabrication Shop, to get it widened. So yeah, we're about to make some cuts here and keep moving on it. All right, guys, I want to give you a little update where we're at on the trailer. So you can see we got this whole side cut off of here already. We went ahead and we came in about 6 inches off of the railing towards the inside of the trailer and made all of our cuts going down. And then over here, you can see where we cut it loose, where it was attached to the fender. We did the same thing on the other side. This trailer, if you look underneath this front tongue piece, it doesn't have a solid frame rail running all the way down. It's just horizontal. So when we started cutting the other side, it actually collapsed on us. So we had to get some jack stands and jack stand everything back up. You can see we're ready to go down this side, make our cuts, and it'll fall out. We're not gonna cut it completely loose today. You can see here, we kind of traced on the inside of the fender and cut out what we needed to. We're preserving as much of the existing steel as possible. And then come down here, you'll see the back will be basically the same procedure that we just removed this front piece with. So that's basically where we're at on it for today. We'll be back out here tomorrow to get it all finished up, at least the front portion, get it cut off and get our extension metal welded in there, welded into place. Get all the front pieces put back in so that the trailer's all secure. Make sure it's what we want, and then we'll do the back half and go from there. So stay tuned, guys, and we'll see you back in the shop. Thanks. Hard to see out here, the sun's in my eyes, but let me show you basically what we've got. So we got this front corner done. We extended everything out with pieces of angle.
You can see we already got that other front corner widened, the difference from the back. So now partner Mike's cutting that corner, getting it cleaned up, and we'll extend it over. And then we'll jump to the back. We'll take care of the back half. Once the back half is widened, we're gonna go back in there and reinforce the whole trailer so that the pull point is correct down the line. And we'll get everything finished, welded up, get everything painted, looking good, get the deck back on there, and then we'll send it down the line. So stay tuned. We'll see you guys in a little bit. Got everything clamped in place, ready to be welded to match this other side. You can see how we widen that. Now we're widening this side the same. It's a lot of work to get this stuff square because you have to go with what's existing and none of it's true. So it's turning out pretty good. Then we got to still do the whole back half. Looking good.
So we're out here with the trailer, we're working on it, we're getting this one side tied in, and we're gonna make a gusset for it and get it all welded in there. Using our Miller Multimatic 215. Run some power cords and get the welder plugged in.
Always remember, the cleaner the metal, the better the weld.
That's right.
That's right.
I wonder if electrical motors are like gas motors. Can you hook a 110 to a 220 and get one good ride out of it?
I did that on a bridge job. Rented a generator and a deck grinder. And I thought I had an industrial cord because they're required on the bridge.
Right.
And I plugged the grinder into the 220. And it went, ram! Boop, smoke, done.
Done? Oh.
Took it back to Penhall. Hey, this thing's burned out. What? Brand new. Well, I don't know.
Okay, we got most of the grinding all done, so now we're going to basically start welding everything into place. A little bit more grinding to do. Goes down. Let's get the Miller Multimatic 215. Got it on our MIG setup for 3/16 thickness. Ground clamp in place. Metal's all cleaned up. Remember, the cleaner the metal, the better the weld. According to partner Mike, labor Mike, brother Mike. Okay. I'm gonna run and grab my other gloves for this. Now I realize you guys are a little far away from the work, but that's the best I can do with the camera we've got today, so bear with me. A little windy out here, so we're gonna run our gas at about 30 PSI. Shielding gas. We don't want to too much higher than that, you're just wasting it. Got our Safe Face auto darkening helmet. Get that on, get the pliers. Boom, boom, everything looks good. Gas is on, clamp is on. Multimatic 215 really lays down a nice bead. It's an automated system. You set your thicknesses and then you can adjust everything from there. Works really well. Bring the camera over here so you guys can see what I got, but man, it looks good. This for a second. Let me show you what we got going on here. Basically what we got is one side welded in. Let me get you over here and show you this. Okay, see, we've got it welded in now. We've welded in this plate here, and that basically transferred the old pull point back, connecting it in with the new pull point. So you can see, and then this is the new beam that goes all the way across, and let me take you to the other side and show you what I'm talking about. Okay, see, we've got it clamped in. This beam is clamped into place. It's the new beam that we just showed you welded on the other side, and here's that plate that's getting welded in to transfer these points, and then we're going to add a piece of flat stock in here all the way down. That'll help level the wood, and it will help with strength, and like I said, the pull point is most important. So let's get the welder to this side and get caught up on this side and keep going. I'm gonna shut the camera off so I can do some serious work, and we'll show you where we're at after. Thanks, guys. Oh, 3/5 wire, 1/8 thick material, no pneumatic. Getting it done out here today. Let's do it. What's up? So we got the other side of the trailer, the other plate welded in for the pull points on both sides. I'm gonna walk you out front and show you where we're at with them. Let's go check it out. Had to use our cutting torch on this one. We haven't really done a cutting torch video. We will be breaking it down, but here you go. You can see we got the plate in on this side with our new beam. It goes across to that side. We showed you that already over there. Basically, the front A comes to a point here that meets this I-beam, and then that's it. There's no frame rail on this trailer, only horizontal rails. So by us cutting the front away from the back, it actually cut the trailer in two pieces, and it had no support. So we're gonna weld in an additional flat strap that'll go here, connect to there, and come up to here.
This thing's gonna be bulletproof when we're done with it. And then you can see we've still got to cut the whole back and deal with this ramp hanger. But the customer's gonna get what he wanted. Thing is they don't understand what it takes to do this kind of stuff, and it's very time consuming, and we don't half-ass anything. You know, we go above and beyond. We do things that the customer will never even see or care about or know about, but it's better than having it fail or break on them. We've talked about this on all the videos we've done in the past with everything we've worked on. So keep that in mind, and as we move down the line, I'll get you guys out there with us and keep track of our progress. We'll see you in a little bit. It's the Outcast Fabrication Shop way. I got the Miller-Matic 215, cutting torch, Shop Yoda. Let's get it.